Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to accept donations on WordPress. So let's just begin. Alright, to accept the donations in the WordPress, first thing that we need to do is to go inside the plugin and click on add new plugin. And here we have to search for give, okay? So you can see the plugin here, give WP donation plugin. So we have to install this. Now click on activate. Alright, so now what we need to do, we have to go inside the donation and let's just click on here. Okay, so right now you can see here we don't have any donation form. So first thing that we need to do is to create the donation form. All right. So for that we have to go inside add form. All right. So here let's just write down the title for our form. So that would be donation form. And here what we need to do. Here you can see this. We have the multi-step form and we also have the classic form and we have the legacy form. Okay. So these are the available templates that you can use. Right now, we'll actually use multi-step form. So let's click on activate. And from here, you can actually customize your form. So we have visual appearance. We have step 1. So in step 1, what do you want to include? What should be the headline? You can see here. So this is our headline. This is the description. And if you want to use the image in the first step, this would be, you can add the image from here. And in last, we have the donation button. And on the second step, we have the payment amount. How much amount do you like to donate? And after that, we're going to have the payment information. So here you can have the headline, description, and donation summary and summary heading. And in last, we would have submit button. Okay. And in the last step, we're going to have the thank you message. So here I can put the image, headline, and description. And you can see these options here as well. Okay. Right now, we have to go inside the settings. Okay, so I have to save this. So let's click on publish here. All right, so right now I need to go inside the settings. So in settings, as you can see here, we have journal, we have payment gateways, we have default option, we have emails, license, advance, and you can also see the recurring donations here as well. So in general, we have the success page, we have the failed donation page, and we have the donor dashboard page. And you can also see the base country here and the base state here. And after that, we have the payment gateways. So in the payment gateways, you're going to decide what kind of payment gateways do you want to use for the donation. Okay, so let's just close this. And you can see we have all of these options. But right now, we're going to simply go for the test donation. But here you can add the Stripe payment gateway and you can also add the PayPal gateway as well. Okay, so I think we are good here with the detail here. And if you want to add the detail for Stripe or the PayPal or the offline donation, you can simply go inside these options. And from there, you can simply add the information about the payment gateway accordingly. Depends on what payment method do you want to use. Okay, so now let's just go inside the default options. So in default options, as you can see here, we have the name title prefix, we have the title prefix, we have the company field, and you can also see these other options as well. Okay, and we also have the emails, we have the license and advanced setting. Okay, so now how can we use our donation form? That is really easy. We just have to go inside the all forms again. And from here, we simply have to copy the short code of our donation form. Okay, so let's copy this. And now we need to go inside the pages and we like to add the new page for our donation. So let's click on add new page. Okay, so here I can add the title. So let's just write down donation page. And here you can simply add our shortcode in the default editor of the WordPress if you want to. But if you want to use the Elementor, you can simply go inside the Elementor and from there you can add the shortcode as well. So it works in a similar way. So let's just add the shortcode here. So let's just write down the shortcode. Okay. And here we just have to paste the value that we have copied from the donation form. Right now, let's click on publish. Now let's go to visit the page. All right. So this is our donation form. Okay. So here, let's just click on donate now. And here you can write down the amount of the donation, whatever you want to donate. So whether it can be $10, $100, or you can also put down the custom amount here as well. Okay. So right now, let's just click on continue. And here you just need to add your details. So I just write down my name here, and right now we're just donating with the test donation. But if we have added the payment gateway, then we can simply go with those payment gateways as well. Okay, you can see we also have the option of offline donation here, and here we have the donation summary, and here we have this payment amount, giving frequency, and donation total. So right now let's just click on donate now. All right, so we have done our donation here. So we can also share it on our social media handles. So this is the donor details and this is the donation details. So this is how you can get the donation from the WordPress. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.